Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and we made a major upgrade to the fuse box on this truck. This is the Blue Sea Systems Safety Hub 150. So this fuse box was really a major difference in the previous wiring of this 93 Dodge Cummins truck, which previously had fusible links instead of fuses, which make troubleshooting electrical issues extremely difficult. So having this ignition protected fuse box allows us to quickly change out a blown fuse without completely rewiring a connection. This is a super stout little fuse box too. It's even got a waterproof gasket around the door, so everything is really well protected inside, since this is also suitable for marine use. But really, it just makes an awesome weatherproof fuse box for this truck. The box also houses extra screws in case you need them when you're on the go. It's just a super well made and very robust little fuse box, and it's been a real game changer for this truck project. So we would definitely recommend this high quality fuse box, and that's my point of view.